Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how I install my frontal wig the glueless way, and also this is my first time of installing frontal glueless on myself. So please come with me, and at the end of the video please do well to rate my outcome. This is the frontal I'll be using for the glueless wig. First, I'll just go ahead to use my hot comb to push everything backward, and after then I will fold it into two to look for the middle part, which is the center part, and then place this on my mannequin head, and thereafter I will pin them down with my T-pin, and then I will use my mouse to flatten everything backward. I made the hair in front, comb them backward, and then I'll use my hot comb to slip them to make them that they are totally flat. All the hairs are backward, and with my tail comb I'll cut that part out to get the widow's peak, and then I will pluck that out. So I'm just plucking it out now, and thereafter I'll brush the hair backward. With my tweezer I'll just pluck that part out, making sure that that part is a little bit backward. So after plucking it, I've brushed it. Now I'll just go ahead to cut out the C part, and then I will brush it out with my hot comb. So here they are not the same line, so I have to pluck it so that this place can be on the same line. So I'll just continue to pluck that so that everything will be equal. Then I'll cut out the front now, then I will pluck that out, use my hot comb to flatten it, and then I will continue to pat the front, and then plug until I have the desired result, and then I will also comb out. So these are all the hairs on ground. I also plug some off the camera. Now will be I'll just go ahead to place this on my head to look for where we'll be placing our band. I will mark that place, both side of my ear. Now I'll cut that off where I marked. So after that, we'll just go ahead to place the hairband. Meanwhile, this is my first time of installing a frontal glueless. So I took a T-pin to mark the point where the band is going to sit. I will do the same thing for the other side. Now with my needle and thread, I'll just go ahead to sew the band, making sure that everything is well sewed. And now I'll be placing it back on my mannequin. After styling it off the camera, I'll just go ahead to cut the lace with my zigzag scissors, and with the sprint, I'll just go ahead to spray it at the front, and use the comb to flatten everything out. Then I'll tie it down with my band. Now it is time for styling. I added heat protectant, ultra spray. Now just go ahead to section the hair out, and then style. So this is the outcome. Now I'll be removing the band. I will add foundation to define the pattern, and now this is what we have. Now I'll go ahead to cut off the excess lace at the back. I'll just go ahead to place this on my head. Now I'll be using mousse, tint mousse, to add to the front that is a little bit white. Now I'll use the hair dryer to dry the mousse, making sure it's dry. Then place the headband to give it more defined hairline. So this is the finished look, guys. I did not use any bond for it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.